Hi children, good morning. Today in this video we find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. First of all, observe the question. P of x is equal to 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So write down P of x equal to 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. This is also quadratic polynomial. Write the standard form. Standard form means highest degree first term, next term is minus 7x, the constant is the minus 3. Okay, x square term, next after that x term, after that constant. 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is the quadratic polynomial. Next one, let p of x equal to 0. P of x equal to 0. Okay, first condition is to find the zeros. First of all, p of x equal to 0. Next one, 6x square minus 7x minus 3 equal to 0. Next, compare the general form. Write coefficients. A equal to b equal to c equal to. What is the value of a? X square coefficient is 6. Next, x value, b value, x coefficient is b value. So b equal to minus 7. Next, what is the constant? Minus 3. A equal to 6, b equal to minus 7, c is equal to minus 3. Next one, a into c. A into c equal to 6 into minus 3. 6 into minus 3, minus 18. Minus 18 is right hand product of two numbers and their sum is minus 7. Minus 7. So, what is the possible values here? Observe. 18 means 1 into 18, 2 into 9 and 3 into 6. 2 into 9, 3 into 6. Here minus 18 means 1 positive, 1 negative. 1 positive, 1 negative means difference. So 18 minus 1, 17. Wrong. 6 minus 3, 3. This one is also wrong. 9 minus 2, 7. This one is the correct. So 1 is the 2, 1 is the 9. What is the positive number? What is the negative number? To get minus 7. When minus 9 is the bigger number is negative, smaller number is the positive. Okay. So write down 6x square. First one is the plus 2x. Third one is the minus 9x. Minus 3 equal to 0. Sometimes change 6x square minus 9x plus 2x. Both are same answer. So 6x square plus 2x minus 9x minus 3 equal to 0. Here the first pair x is common compulsory and sometimes coefficient also, another coefficient other than 1 is also common. Next one, here x is also common, sometimes other than 1 factor is also common. Here in this pair 2 is also common, so 2x is the common to get the 3x plus 1. Okay, 3x plus 1. Here in this third term symbol is negative and 3 is also common. 3 3 is a 9x. Fourth term symbol is change. Plus 3 1 is 3 equal to 0. 3x plus 1. Apply the distributive law. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So 3x plus 1 equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Next one, these two are linear equations. One variables. To change 3x equal to minus 1. Plus 1 is transposed to the right side, minus 1. Then x is equal to minus 1 by 3. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. Second is also 2x equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. These two are zeros of the given quadratic polynomial. Okay students, write down notebook. First of all, write the given polynomial 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Write the standard form 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Next one, let p of x equal to 0. A is equal to 6, B equal to minus 7, C is equal to minus 3. So rough work. So here sum is minus 7, possible minus 9 plus 2. Okay. So 3x is the common, 3x times of 2x minus 3 plus 1 is the common, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x minus 3 equal to 0 or 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 3 or 3x equal to minus 1. Plus 1 is transpose, minus 3 is the transpose. Next one, 2 is transpose, 3 is also transpose. Coefficient is divided by right side term. X is equal to 3 by 2 or x is equal to minus 1 by 3. These two are zeros of the given polynomial. So 3 by 2 is the alpha, minus 1 by 3 is the beta. Okay na? This is the method to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Another method is graph method. Okay, next video we will learn to find the zeros by the graph method. This is the very important topic, 4 mark question in the 10th class syllabus. Okay, thank you.